Hi Kimross. So as you want me to create a video how you can edit every part your phone page. So here it is. So first thing I explained that I told you to add this code in config.php and you added that. Good for that. It's a problem with X theme, not a problem. It's a continuous problem when your page become very wet with contents and more things are working, so it need some kind of space to go through the content. So it's 256 megabyte. Now I start with your page. So first thing is that you can edit your page with two ways. One is the customizer part, it is appearance customize, and another is your go to your pages. So one thing is pages, and then the front page edit with cornerstone. Okay, so if you click there, you will go there. If you click here, you will go there. So in customizer there are a few things like stack. Xtheme has four kind of stacks, so integrated, renew, icon, and ethos, and it's a renew theme, and there is some customizations here. You can easily change the toolbar background, anything you want here. So buttons, your basic but universal button, you can design the universal button design for your theme. Then the header part, here is the header part. You can make it left, right, anything, as you are a programmer, so you will understand that it's not very hard. So the last thing is here that there is a part here, I have make it red. Okay, so you can easily code this part. Here is a sharing part and a navigation part. You can edit this in here, that's it. So every part is start from here. Anchor, I think you know it, and you can easily change it. So this is the header part. The header part, few things, logo, how if you don't want to logo, you can add content here. Space for the logo, upper space, these are very easy things. And footer part, so here it is, you can change, like I have used this logo here. I have used this logo for the here you can use content, add anything. You can totally edit this part with code, any kind of HTML and CSS code. It's all about your imagination. And portfolio part, these are small things. And customize, if you want to add custom CSS to any part, I'll show you that in a few minutes. So menu, there is two menu in a home page, in the primary and the footer part, footer menu. So you can edit this from here, appearance, menus, or you can also edit it from here, like footer menu. Where is the footer menu? Menu locations, primary menu, and edit, and you can add items or pages or custom links to your menu. So widgets area and additional CSS. So this is the customizer part, and you can this part is always available with every theme and every things. So you can edit few things that are offered by the theme, basic designs. Okay, so these are the basic design of the home page and overall your website. Like if you design the menu bar, it will design for the whole website. In any page, the menu bar is like that, and the footer is like that, and the button is. So the basic designs are made in here. So for the design part or every aspects, so like that, like there, these are all sections. Okay, these are all sections, and every section has a row, and every row has columns. That's it. Sections, rows, and columns. So like this one, it's a section. Okay, this one is a section. This is an introduction section. Okay, I click it, and it has one row, only one row, and one row. And in this row we have one column, not two column. You can make it two, you can make it like that, you can make it three columns, and you can make it one column. I just make it one column, and then in every column you can add elements. Like in here I have added the text element. After that I have coded it few codes, very basic codes. So, and I have used a button here. That's it. Just like that you can be without a button. Here is the button element. You can drag it here. Here is the button element, and here is the button, and then you have to redesign it. You can use the global setting, or here it is, you have to use a class for this button. Like that you can add a unique ID or a class, and then style it with HTML CSS, and you can delete this easily. So here is the section, then row, and then elements. So here it is. This is a section. When you manage section, there is two rows. In this section I have used two rows. Okay, so one row is here. I have used a custom header like this, custom headline, and then change the everything color, headline level, text alignment, and font width. So this is another part, manage layout, row 2, and I have used here a in these columns there is two columns. Okay, I will show you. Yes, there is two columns. Okay, this row has two columns. One column I have used the column. In this column I have the background color and enable fade effect like that. Like you will understand fade effect, like it will come from the left to right and this from right to left. Like when you scroll there, yes, like that. Okay, so here I have added a text part and redesign it, then an image, then text, and then just a button. That's it. You have to drag this like that. You have to. I can drag it here. I can drag it here. That's it. I can always drag this content here. I can drag this content. X themes conversion is very easy. It's live. So if you have a little knowledge, then you can easily make something out of it. And you have if you are deep knowledge about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript or PHP, you can make any kind of design with this theme. So this is it. And again, this part, with this part there is a row. Then I have added this is a row. Like in the first introduction, this is the introduction part. This is the part introduction. Then offer. Okay, this is the offer part. Then the news part. You can rename it according to your need or according to your categorizations. So here it is. And in this is a recent post. So there's lots of elements. You just have to test them. There is skill bar, video player, search, recent post. I have used a recent post here. So there is no image. These posts are basic post, demo post. So when you are editing a post, there is a part called feature image. Okay, featured image. When you are adding a post, you have to add a featured image with the post. Like that, when you are sharing the post on Facebook on a social media, the image will also shown with the post, but not in the post. It's a basic editing. It's a SEO work. So that image will show here. So I also added a button here, blog post, but you can add the link here like that. You have, like, I can add this link here. Okay, so when I save it, you can add blogs. It means it will be a bigger take the whole area. Then you can mark this marketing circle. It's a extreme very small system. It's highlight the button. And 11 icons. You can also add icons, like any icons here. The icon will change here. Okay, so this is it. So on this part, this is the last part I will be talking about. This is, you can, and every section you can add background image, you can add videos, you can add custom colors. Okay, And there is a margin padding. You can change the margin padding if you want. You can add borders in sections. Okay, in sections. These are things for section. These things are not allowed for other parts, columns part. Okay, like that column has a thing called fading, but section don't have that. But section have a parallax effect, like that. This is a parallax, but if I off that, this is not parallaxed. Okay, this is a parallax. Okay, so this is it. I have text, HTML custom header, and this is a part with image with a light box. It's a widgets. This is the code for the widgets. Just add the code. This is your light box, video light box widgets. You will find it in your this area, plugins area, and you can know about it more. So this is it, and this is the basic footer we designed for on the customizer. But you can add like that. If you want this part to redesign it, you can add custom effect, any kind of CSS HTML effect. You just have to add the ID, class, and style, like that. If you are using the same effect in everywhere, you can select a class that will be renamed it. So I take that class and design it with that class. So the parts with this class will design like that. But if I want to specifically design this part, I can add a ID, and everything has a system like this. So if someone want to have a great website, so we have to code it from the truly. Okay, people say WordPress is easy. It's easy, but developers has something to do with it. So that's it. I hope it's helpful for you. But if not, if you have any kind of question, just ask me. And I also offer great supports. And I think your website isn't ready yet, but if you want to make a good site for your business, I can offer more. So just let me know if you need something. And other thing is that I also work on email signature and email template, and always WordPress X theme. So just let me know. Thank you.